Hey everyone, in this short workout we'll be learning the modified corkscrew, which really works the abs, obliques, and hip flexors. I'm Pilates instructor Tucker. Welcome to McCrazy Fit. We'll begin with a few movements to activate the target muscles and then build up to the modified corkscrew. Let's begin lying on our back in neutral spine. Inhale to prepare, exhale, right leg into tabletop. Inhale down. Exhale, left leg into tabletop. Inhale down, good. Let's go 5 on each side. So here's 2. And focus on drawing in that belly, keeping those abs tight. Maintaining the structure in the leg, hips are stable. Activating the hip flexors and the abs. Here's the last one. Good, now right leg up, left up to meet it, right down, and again switching sides, left up, left down, right down. Great job, keep going. Right, left, and switch. Left, right. Let's do a few more. Bringing the degree of difficulty up and connecting your mind with your legs. Great job. Let's do one more. Good. Now we're going to change gears a little bit and move into a posterior pelvic tilt. So with an exhale, tighten the belly. Also tighten the lower glutes here. And let's point the tailbone forward. Let the lower back sink into the mat. And inhale back to start. Good. Let's go for 5. Exhale. Tighten the belly. Draw in the abs. Tailbone points forward. Lower back sinks into the mat. And inhale. Move back to neutral spine. Good. Few more. Also a nice stretch for the lower back. Last one. And back to the neutral starting position. Great work. Let's inhale to prepare. Exhale, tighten the belly. Bring both legs into tabletop. Go ahead and bring those knees together for me. And exhale, posterior pelvic tilt. Inhale, back to start. Let's keep going a little harder because we're taking the glutes out of the movement here. So this is all abs. Think about the knees being pulled up towards the ceiling as you move into the pelvic tilt. And then back, few more. So I don't want the knees coming up towards the forehead, but rather pushing up towards the ceiling. Last one. Good, and keep the knees up. Let's move into a spine twist. Inhale. Let the knees fall to the right, not all the way to the floor, but just as far as you can control. Allow the left hip to lift off the mat. And exhale back to center. Inhale, knees fall to the left, right hip lifts off the mat. Shoulders and upper back stay flat on the mat. Exhale to center. Good. 5 total. Think about twisting the trunk to lower one hip to the ground. And back to center. Keep that belly tight. That's 3. 2 more on each side. Only twist as far as you're comfortable with. Keeping the shoulders and back flat on the mat. Stomach's engaged. Nice and slow. Here's the last one. Exhale to center and feet come down. Let's rest for just a moment. Great job. So we'll begin moving into our modified corkscrew. We'll inhale to prepare. Exhale, bring both knees into tabletop. And we'll begin by moving into that posterior pelvic tilt. And then Just like the spine twist, allow the knees to round over to the right side. Then bring them down, moving into slight spinal extension, lumbar spine extension, around the other side, and back up. Good, let's go for 5. So we're inhaling over. Swinging down and around, exhale, back up to the top. Good, inhale, over to the right, down, inhale, to the left, backing up. Good, 2 more. There's a pencil right on your knees. Imagine drawing a circle on the ceiling with the pencil. Keeping the shoulders and back flat on the mat. After this last one, we'll change direction. Good, and the other way. Inhale, fall to the left, down, exhale, swing around to the right and back up. Good. And this is 2. We're going for 5. Palms are flat on the mat, and for added stability, they can move out a little wider from the body. Good, here's our last one. Great, back to center and bring the feet on down. We're gonna move up one more level here on our modified corkscrew, and that's with the legs straight. So we'll get the legs as straight as possible. If the knees are bent, that's okay as well. We'll come into tabletop, feet are together, straighten the legs. Exhale, tighten the belly, slight posterior pelvic tilt. Inhale, over to the right, down, exhale to the left and back up. Stop, and let's change directions. We're gonna switch each direction 3 times each side. Good. Keep that breathing going. Excellent job. That's 2. Let's do 1 more both ways. Good. Last one. Excellent. Knees down. And let's come on up. Now that exercise was featured in the core workout that I'll have in the thumbnail above. Please help to support this channel by sharing or liking or leaving a comment. All of my equipment is linked in the description. They are Amazon affiliate links, so if you click on them and buy it, I get a commission at no extra cost to you. Thanks for learning the modified corkscrew with me, and I'll see you at the next workout.